Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to explain about molar conductivity. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are visiting first time my channel, please subscribe and like and click on the bell button to get notification. Thank you. Now molar conductivity, lambda m. What is the definition of molar conductivity? The conductance of 1 mole of electrolyte, 1 mole of electrolyte of V volume of electrolytic solution. This is the definition of the molar conductivity. It is denoted by lambda m. It is denoted by lambda m. And what are the units of lambda m? Simon centimeter square mole inverse or Simon meter square mole inverse are the units of molar conductivity. These are the CGS units of molar conductivity. These are SI units of molar conductivity. Now let us see, we will get one formula, important formula. How we will get? Look at here the derivation. We know that if we take the conductance of 1 centimeter cube of the conductance of either 1 centimeter cube or 1 meter cube of electrolytic solution is equal to how much it is? K conductivity, kappa it is K. Then conductance of V volume of solution, V volume of solution, electrolytic solution is equal to lambda m. Then it contains how much of electrolyte? 1 mole of electrolyte. 1 mole of electrolyte. Now the relation we have, for 1 centimeter cube the conductance is denoted by K, and either V volume, either V centimeter cube or V meter cube, its conductivity, the conductance is denoted by lambda m. Then lambda m is equal to what we can write? K into V we can write. This is the formula we have. Lambda m is equal to K into V. Now we have the derivation of one formula. I am going to derive that formula. Look at here how I am going to derive. Let us suppose m is the concentration of solution. M is the concentration of solution. M is the concentration means m moles of electrolyte, present in how many liters? M moles of electrolyte is present in 1 liter. In 1 liter. So m moles are there in 1 liter. 1 liter is nothing but 1000 ml or 1000 centimeter cube. We know that. Now actually 1 mole of electrolyte is there in V volume. 1 mole of electrolyte is present in V volume. Then how we can derive the relation? Look at here. M moles are present in 1000 centimeter cube. That is a concentration. 1 mole is there in how much of volume? Either V centimeter cube or V meter cube. So per suppose V volume, then so what we can write? V is equal to, like this we can write, V is equal to 1000 centimeter cube divided by M we can write. This is the formula we will get. V is equal to 1000 centimeter cube by M. M number of moles per liter. 1000 centimeter cube per liter. We know that. 1000 centimeter cube per liter. M is the concentration mole by liter. Mole by liter. This liter we can cancel. Okay. They can cancel. Like this we can cancel. 1000 centimeter cube per liter. M moles per liter. Now we have first this formula. What is that? We have this formula. Lambda M is equal to K into V. K into V. We have this relation. If K is expressed in conductivity is expressed in Simon centimeter square, centimeter inverse, Simon centimeter inverse, then we have to express volume in centimeter cube. So then what we will get the formula, you know, we have lambda M is equal to K into Simon centimeter inverse. V in place of V, what we can substitute? 1000 centimeter cube divided by M number of moles we can write here, mole. So look at here, after simplification of this, what we will get the final formula? Lambda M is equal to K into 1000 by M Simon centimeter square mole inverse. This is the Celsius unit of molar conductivity, and you have to remember this formula, important formula for NEET purpose. Next to, in the another way, sometimes they are going to give conductivity in Simon meter inverse. Then how we have to change the formula? So in examination, per suppose they given like this, conductivity is expressed in Simon meter inverse. Then how we have to change this formula? Look at here, you know that one relation, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meters. This relation we know that. Then lambda M is equal to, we can write what? K into 1000 centimeter cube divided by what? M moles. M moles per liter, 1000 centimeter per cube per liter. M moles are there. Now, so look at here, in place of centimeter I am going to substitute 10 power minus 2. Then lambda M is equal to K into 10 power 3. In place of centimeter, what we can write? 10 power minus 2 meter whole cube we can write by M mole. Here in examination, K is also expressed in Simon meter inverse into 10 power 3 to 10 power minus 6 meter cube divided by M moles. Then, so what we will get? After simplification, we will get this formula. Lambda M is equal to K into 10 power minus 3 is nothing but K by 1000 into M. So it should be expressed in what? Simon meter square mole inverse. So this is the formula we have to use to simplify the problems. And finally, you have to remember these two formulas. lambda m is equal to K into 1000 by m. The final answer we will get in Simon centimeter square mole inverse. Lambda m is equal to K by 1000 into m. Answer we will get in what? Simon meter square mole inverse. So this is about the molar conductivity. And example number 3.4, they given one question on molar conductivity and conductivity. Let us see that problem. Resistance of conductivity cell filled with 0.1 mole by liter KCl solution is 100 ohm. If the resistance of same cell filled with the 0.02 mole by liter KCl solution is 520 ohm, calculate the conductivity, molar conductivity of 0.02 mole by liter KCl solution. The conductivity of 0.1 mole by liter KCl solution is 1.29 Simon meter inverse. They are asking the question to calculate K and lambda m. So first solution and second solution. First solution, concentration how much they given? 0.1 mole by liter they given. 0.1 mole by liter. Second solution, molarity is equal to 0.02 mole by liter they given. Next one, so in the first solution, resistance R is equal to 100 ohm they given, 100 ohm. In second solution, resistance is equal to 520 ohm they given. Next, in first solution, conductivity they given, how much it is? 1.29 Simon meter inverse they given this conductivity. And in second solution, K they are asking, and also lambda m they are asking. Then how it is possible to get the K and lambda m? You know that for a particular conductivity cell constant is always constant. We have to calculate for first cell constant. So cell constant G star is equal to what formula? R into K. R is resistance 100 ohm into K is 1.29. Simon is nothing but ohm inverse meter inverse. Then finally 129 meter inverse we will get. This 129 meter inverse can be written as 1.29 into 10 power minus 2 centimeter inverse also. 1.29 into 10 power minus 2 centimeter inverse. How? 129 meter inverse can be written as like this. 129 by meter we can write. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then so whenever it move up, what we will get? 1.29 centimeter inverse we will get. So this is the cell constant. For a particular cell it is constant. From this it is possible to get conductivity. Now K, how we will get for second condition? K is equal to G star by R. G star how much it is? 1.29 centimeter inverse, and R is equal to how much they given? 520 ohms they given. If we simplify this, how much we will get? You know, 0.248 into 10 power minus 2 Simon centimeter square. So is the answer. Conductivity is over. Conductivity is, this is a 0.248 into 10 power minus 2. If the conductivity is given in Simon centimeter inverse, then you know that what formula we have to use to calculate lambda m. So this is the formula we are using to calculate lambda m. That is lambda m is equal to K, the given in Simon centimeter inverse, into 1000 by molarity. K how much it is? K is 0.248 into 10 power minus 2 Simon centimeter inverse into 1000 centimeter cube, divided by how much concentration they given? 0.02 they given, 0.02 moles. And we have to simplify this. After simplification, what we will get? you know how much we will get the answer, you know, that is equal to, after simplification we will get to 124 Simon centimeter square mole inverse. This is the answer for this question.